is it possible for a man to actually go as far as putting his hands on his wife and then after that making a commitment never to do that again and them being able to rebound and still have a long-lasting, healthy relationship?
Hallelujah.
Is that possible?
Okay, so this is very personal to me because I have a very close friend where her husband tried to strangle her 6 months ago
Wow.
in front of her children, right? And he got locked up, made bail, he left the state. And since he left the state, he's like, you know, baby, I'm working on me, da-da-da-da. But then ended up writing in a book and sending it to her about all the things she needs to work on. And in all the conversations they had, he's like, you know, we did this. And even to his sons, never really owned up to the fact that he almost killed his wife in front of them. And even when she looked back at the body cam of the police, he said she had a knife, right? So he was still blaming her.
No accountability.
No accountability, no remorse, nothing. So the issue I have with that personal situation is that man has not changed, has shown no change, and is still very arrogant and very adamant. So in that case, run.